Hi, good morning guys. This is day 2 in Munnar. We have started we got up at 9:30 our usual time and heading towards Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. It's a 50-kilometer drive. It's the route 2 that we're taking today, and it's a 50-kilometer drive to Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. It's just like yesterday, but it's the other side. So we are going to Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary, where in between there are going to be about 4-5 different spots in between. One of them is there's a waterfall, एक waterfall है, Lokam waterfall, और दूसरा coffee plantation है, tea plantation है, और there is also a sandalwood jungle भी आता है एक बीच में, तो वो भी देखते हैं. Let's see if we can see some sandalwood. I've never seen it. On the way to Chinnar waterfall, we stopped at this beautiful spot. It's very nice. The views are getting better and better. Video
Yeah.
You should take a photograph here, Ritu. It's beautiful. Look at on this drive, all these beautiful purple flowers have come up, and it looks very beautiful. And they're also falling on the floor, on the road, and it's beautiful. Look at the right. Yeah, look at these. Look at all these purple flowers. It's very, very nice. Very beautiful, beautiful drive. Look at that beautiful waterfall. Let me zoom in.
Wow.
It's beautiful. Here they are getting the tea out of the leaves and doing the process. I don't really know how they do it, what they do, but yeah, you can clearly see they are
Hi, monkey. Hi.
Look at those monkeys playing over there. Look at the mother carrying the monkey.
Yeah. There.
Oh, ये देख रोड पे आ गए.
There. Closer over there.
Here with Dinesh. Hi Dinesh.
Hi, sir.
So where are we going to see? What are we going to see now?
Now we go to Watchtower now, just a viewpoint.
Okay.
It's a good view about the Chinnar now.
So we'll be able to see animals there?
Animals this time very rare.
Oh, no animals.
No animals now. Just a dry season now.
Okay.
Season over, so it's
But if we go to the viewpoint, we won't be able to see any animals?
only by chance.
Okay, then let's not go.
That's only now.
Let's not go then. It's okay. Thank you. We are heading back towards Munnar from Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. As you know, it was a dry season and no animal viewings or anything like that. And it started to rain. It's a beautiful drive, but it's really hot. I think this place is at
26 now.
it's gone down because of the rain, but it was 35 degrees when we reached the sanctuary. So yeah, the weather changes, and it's gone down to 26 now just because it started raining 1 minute back. So yeah, it's a good drive, and it's fun. You guys should think of coming here whenever you have to. Stop for lunch, and we've called for a Kerala thali. It's basically got the rice. Here you can see they have the fat rice, which I really like. Achar, dahi, vegetables, and he's also got us sambar and
This is
fish curry. Boss, what is this? Ye kya hai?
What is this? Kerala model.
Kerala?
Kerala ka model, special.
चावल के साथ खाने का?
No, veg.
Veg.
Veg, yes.
See this, they are giving free as curry.
थोड़ा चाय का दे दो.
Chai cup? हाँ, वो try करेंगे. All this that you see on your left, these are all sandalwood trees. See guys, it's only 2:59, it's 3 p.m. and see how dark it's become. All of a sudden the weather's changed and it's become very cloudy. Looks like it's going to rain like crazy, and it's chilly. It's about 16 degrees. So it's beautiful weather. I love it. We've come to this restaurant, Ali Baba in 41 Dishes in Munnar for dinner. We are eating dinner for the first time outside, not in the hotel room. We were getting bored in the hotel room, so we said, let's come to the hotel. Let's see how good it is. Chicken tikka masala, rice and dal. Indian food always serves the palate well. And happy wife, happy life. All good, no problem. We are in the room. We're going to sleep early as in 12:30 times. And that's early for us. And be up at, we have to leave the hotel by 7:30. We are going to Thekkady tomorrow, Thekkady. And we have booked for one day. We don't know whether we'll be there for a one night. If we like the place, then we'll probably extend for another night and 2 nights. And then see where we are going next. So we are not yet decided. See you tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to Thekkady, and it's a 2.5 hour drive, but it's all hilly. And this time Google Mataji has taken us from unbelievable locations. The road is like, I mean, you feel as if it's leading to nowhere. See, this was just a glimpse of that. And yeah, it's taking us to really small villages and nice, different small lanes and stuff. And we should be there hopefully by 11:30. We left about 8:30, 9 o'clock. And we should hopefully be there by 11:30. And planning to just dump our bags in the hotel and get out to the city and see what Thekkady has to offer to us. See you there. Guys, we've just checked into Hotel Sterling at Thekkady. It looks like a nice hotel. It's got a room, it's got a living room with sofas and a dining, plus a bathroom and separate living and closet and a living and a room. It's quite nice. Very well made. It's well designed. Nice property. And we got it at a very good steal price actually. Yeah, decent. We got a very good 2,500 we paid for this. It's quite nice. We are at this restaurant to eat a small grub. We've ordered for dosas, and they've given us this water. It's a bit lukewarm, and they're saying it's Kerala water or something, I don't know. So, flavored. Yeah, it's slightly flavored, but it's warm. We've left for a 4-hour trip to Parantumpara. It's a forest reserve wherein you have, it's a good sightseeing place. It's a drive for about 45-50 minutes from Thekkady. Here we are just entering Parantumpara. Parantumpara, sorry. It's basically, Parantumpara basically means eagle's view, eagle's eye. So it's basically a viewpoint, and it's quite beautiful, rustic, and it's like a nice viewpoint. You can go up there also if you want. See, there are cars standing there. Here we are at Parantumpara, and it's a beautiful viewpoint. It's basically, it means in Malayalam it means eagle's point, eagle's view. So we're at this, it's like a plateau up there. And it's quite nice to see different places from here. You can see different mountain ranges, and yeah, it's quite nice. So we've just driven our car somewhere, and we're walking towards the edge, so we can see different views. It's good. Yeah, it's beautiful. See. Wow. See this.
How deep it is.
Yeah, it's deep. Even I'm scared of heights.
Peak.
Yeah, it's deep. It's a beautiful scenery, especially with the blue skies. Guys, just had a long day, so here we are spending the evening in the pool and having a good time, and equal to Madam Happy, equal to all good.
Hi.
We've been up since morning. We went to a beautiful Eagles View place. What is it called? So, I'm sorry. I हाथ जोड़ के माफी मांगता हूँ. मुझे pronunciations are very bad. I apologize. Nothing to Putumpara. I am sorry if I'm hurting anybody, but I can't pronounce it right. I apologize for that.
Putumpara.
Yeah, Putumpara. A beautiful place.
Satram and Putumpara sightseeing.
After that place, we went to lunch, and from lunch, we got some travel agent with whom we booked a jeep safari. So the jeep safari is going to take us to a jungle which is about 100 kilometers from here. It's a tiger reserve.
Anamuri.
It's called
Anamuri.
Anamuri.
Okay.
And Gavi. And Gavi. It will come back from Gavi. So they're going to take us to two jungles. It will be starting at 6 a.m. in the morning, 5:36 a.m. in the morning, and we'll be back by about 4:35 p.m. in the evening. So it will be almost a 10-hour day, full day thing. And we are obviously we've extended one more day in the hotel. We are really liking the hotel. The rooms are very nice, and the people are very nice. So far, the Kerala experience has been very good, especially the people. In whatever restaurant we have been, whether they are big restaurants, small restaurants, people have been helpful. Yeah, people have been helpful. There's only one place where we faced a language problem wherein I told him I want the dosa crispy, and he couldn't understand. So he asked us to leave and we left. But apart from that, people have been fantastic. And it's been a very good experience overall. So yeah, looking forward to the day tomorrow. Today we'll try to wind up early. We are not the early wind up kind of people. So we will try to have a few drinks by 8 o'clock in the evening and sleep by 10, which will probably be by 12:31. And get up in the morning and then do the thing tomorrow. The safari tomorrow, which I personally am very excited about. Ritu is very excited about, because we both haven't been to a safari so far. So after the safari, we'll be going in for a rest, and we'll be checking out the day after, and we'll be going to Alipi, which we are really looking forward to because of the backwaters. So lots of coming, guys. If you're watching this, lots of things happening. We'll keep you posted. Cheers, guys.